I'm Brian Bollenbeck with Uponor, and we're at 2025 AHR. Today we're going to be highlighting the transition ball valves coming out in 2025. We're going to start at the bottom. This is a copper press transition to Uponor ProPEX. It comes in 1/2 to 3-inch. Moving up, this female press thread adapter. It's got female thread on one side and then ProPEX on the other. That also comes from 1/2 to 3-inch. And then going to the male adapter by ProPEX. So we got male adapter on one side and then ProPEX on the other. That goes from 1/2 to 2-inch. And finally we have a flange connection here, showed on a pump, and that goes from 3/4 to 1.25 inches. So some of the benefits with these is really space savings. If you look at what the adapter plus the valve takes to install, we're moving that all into one. So if you're talking about 1/2 to 3-inch sizes, that's over a 50% space savings. And when you're talking about space that's even tight and chases or even certain mechanical rooms, that space savings really makes the contractor's life a lot easier. Also, the increased installation speed with these, by having less components, you have 66% cost to install. So it's a cost savings of around 60% to install versus the traditional method. Also, you can see here too, these valves do have stem extension capabilities. So you can see here we have copper on one side and then we have PEX-A on the other side. That stem extension allows you to extend beyond that insulation for actuation if needed.